Namaste, and once again welcome back to another session of online mathematics class. Last class we have started exercise 3.3 and we have discussed the first 11 questions from exercise 3.3 of NCERT class 11 mathematics test. Today we shall discuss the remaining problems from exercise 3.3. Prove that sine square 6x minus sine square 4x equal to sine 2x into sine 10x. Let us take the LHS part. Sine square 6x minus sine square 4x. So it's of the form a square minus b square. A square minus b square. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So here we can apply the identity. Sine square 6x minus sine square 4x. So a plus b, that is sine 6x plus sine 4x into sine 6x minus sine 4x. Okay. Now sine x plus sine y. What is sine x plus sine y? The formula is 2 sine x plus y by 2. 6x plus 4x divided by 2 cos x minus y by 2. Cos 6x minus 4x divided by 2. And again sine x minus sine y. Sine x minus sine y, and the formula is 2 cos x plus y by 2. So 2 cos 6x plus 4x divided by 2 and sine x minus y by 2. 6x minus 4x divided by 2. Okay. That is 2 sine 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 by 2, 5. So 5x. And here 6x minus 4x. 2x by 2. So cos x. Into 2. 6x plus 4x. 10x by 2, 5x. So 2 cos 5x. 6x minus 4x. 2x divided by 2. Sin x. Now we can rearrange the term. First of all, I write on 2. 2. Then cos x and sin x. Then we can write it as sin x cos x. 2 sin x cos x. Okay. Then next is 2 sin 5x cos 5x. We have formula 2 sin x cos x is what? Sin 2x. Sin 2x equal to 2 sin x cos x. So this can be written as sin 2x. Here also 2 sin x cos x, but in the place of x it is 5x. So the double of 5, 10. Okay. So this can be written as sin 2 into 5x, sin 2x, sin 2 theta. Okay. So sin 2 into 5x, which gives sin 10x. That is sin 2x sin 10x is equal to the right hand side RHS. Okay. So LHS equal to RHS. Clear? Now we move on to question number 14. Sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x plus sin 6x equal to 4 cos square x into sin 4x. So here the LHS is sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x then plus sin 6x. First of all, we can rearrange the terms. First I write sin 6x. So sin 6x plus sin 2x then plus 2 sin 4x. Here we can apply the formula sin x plus sin y. 2 sin x plus y by 2. 6x plus 2x. 8x by 2. And cos x minus y by 2. 6x minus 2x. 4x by 2. Then plus 2 sin 4x. That is 2 sin 4x cos 2x plus 2 sin 4x. So 2 sin 4x is common. then we can take it out. 2 sine 4x into here cos 2x plus 1. That is 2 sine 4x into cos 2x plus 1. We know the formula for cos 2x. In terms of cos x, it is 2 cos square x minus 1. Cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. So if we take this minus 1 to left side, it becomes 1 plus cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x. So here we can apply the result. 1 plus cos 2x or cos 2x plus 1 can be replaced by 2 cos square x. Okay. So 2 cos square x. And that will be equal to 2 2s are 4 cos square x sin 4x. And which is equal to the right hand side. 4 cos square x into sin 4x. Okay. Here the next question is cot 4x into sin 5x plus sin 3x equal to cot x into sin 5x minus sin 3x. Okay. Take the LHS part. Cot 4x into sin 5x plus sin 3x, which is equal to cot 4x sin x plus sin y. What is sin x plus sin y? 2 sin x plus y by 2. 5 plus 3. 8x by 2 cos x minus y by 2. 5x minus 3x. 2x divided by 2. So this 2 we can write first. 2 cot 4x sin 4x cos x, which is equal to 2 into cot 4x. Cot x is cos x divided by sin x. So here cos 4x divided by sin 4x, then into sin 4x cos x. The sin 4x we can cancel, and the remaining is 2 cos 4x into cos x. Take it as equation number 1. Now take the RHS part, right hand side. Cot x into sin 5x minus sin 3x, which is equal to cot x into sin x minus sin y. 2 cos x plus y by 2. 8x by 2 and sin x minus y by 2. 2x by 2. Okay. This 2 we can write first. 2 cot x cos 4x sin x. Here also we can write cot x as cos x by sin x. So cos x divided by sin x cos 4x sin x. Sin x we can cancel. If we rearrange the term, we can write 2 cos 4x into cos x. Take it as equation number 2. So in equation 1, LHS is equal to what? 2 cos 4x into cos x. And in equation 2, RHS is equal to 2 cos 4x into cos x. While comparing 1 and 2, both are equal. LHS equal to RHS. Okay. So from 1 and 2, we can conclude LHS equal to RHS. Hence the proof. Clear? The next question is cos 9x minus cos 5x divided by sin 17x minus sin 3x equal to minus sin 2x divided by cos 10x. So we can consider the LHS part. Cos 9x minus cos 5x divided by sin 17x minus sin 3x. Numerator is of the form cos x minus cos y. And what is cos x minus cos y? Minus 2 sin x plus y by 2. So minus 2 sin 9 plus 5, 14x by 2. And sin x minus y by 2. 9x minus 5x, 4x by 2. Okay. And denominator is of the form sin x minus sin y. What is sin x minus sin y? 2 cos x plus y by 2. So 2 cos 17 plus 3, 20x by 2, and sin x minus y by 2, 17 minus 3. 17 minus 3 is 14. So 14x by 2. This 2 and 2 we can cancel. Minus sin 14 by 2, 7x. Then sin 4x by 2, 2x. Divided by cos, here 10x, and sin 7x. This sin 7x we can cancel. The remaining is minus sin 2x divided by cos 10x, which is equal to RHS. Okay. Now we move on to question number 18. Sin x minus sin y divided by cos x plus cos y equal to tan of x minus y by 2. So LHS equal to sin x minus sin y divided by cos x plus cos y. Here we can write the direct formula, sin x minus sin y, 2 cos x plus y by 2 sin x minus y by 2. And denominator also the direct formula, cos x plus cos y. So 2 cos x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2. This 2 and 2 we can cancel. Cos x plus y by 2, cos x plus y by 2 we can cancel. The remaining is sin x minus y by 2 divided by cos x minus y by 2. Sin by cos, tan. So which is equal to tan x minus y divided by 2 equal to RHS. Clear? Now we move on to question number 20. Sin x minus sin 3x divided by sin square x minus cos square x equal to 2 sin x. So LHS equal to sin x minus sin 3x divided by sin square x minus cos square x. Here we can take one minus common. So minus of sin 3x minus sin x. Okay. We multiply this minus sin 3x. This one minus into minus plus sin x. Okay. Here also we can take one minus common. Minus of, so change the order, cos square x minus sin square x. Clear? This minus and minus cancel. Now sin x minus sin y. What is sin x minus sin y? 2 cos x plus y by 2. So 2 cos 3x plus x, 4x by 2 sin x minus y by 2. Sin 3x minus x, that is 2x by 2 divided by cos square x minus sin square x. We have direct formula, cos 2x. Okay. Cos square x minus sin square x is what? Cos 2x. So which is equal to 2 cos 4x by 2, 2x sin x divided by cos 2x. This cos 2x we can cancel. The remaining is 2 sin x, and which is equal to the right hand side. Clear? Now the next question is cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x divided by sin 4x plus sin 3x plus sin 2x equal to cot 3x. So here the LHS is cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x divided by sin 4x plus sin 3x plus sin 2x. Let's rearrange the terms. First write cos 4x and cos 2x. Cos 4x plus cos 2x. Then plus cos 3x. Okay. Divided by, here also we can rearrange the terms, sin 4x plus sin 2x. Sin 4x plus sin 2x. Then the remaining is sin 3x. Okay. cos x plus cos y. Formula 2 cos x plus y by 2, 4x plus 2x, 6x by 2, cos x minus y by 2, 4x minus 2x, 2x by 2. Okay, plus cos 3x. All divided by sin x plus sin y. 2 sin x plus y by 2, 6x by 2, cos x minus y by 2, cos 2x by 2. Then plus sin 3x, which is equal to 2 cos 3x, then cos x plus cos 3x divided by 2 sin 3x cos x plus sin 3x. From the numerator, cos 3x we can take it as common. So cos 3x into the remaining is 2 cos x plus 1 divided by, and from the denominator we can take sin 3x common. So sin 3x into, here the remaining term is 2 cos x then plus 1. This we can cancel. 2 cos x plus 1. Okay. And cos 3x divided by sin 3x. Cos 3x by sin 3x, which is equal to what? Cos by sin is cot. So cot 3x, which is equal to the right hand side, RHS. Understood? Now we move on to the next question. Cot x into cot 2x minus cot 2x into cot 3x minus cot 3x into cot x equal to 1. It's an important question. Here we are going to prove in a different way. Let us take the term cot 3x. And cot 3x can be written as cot 2x plus x. This 3x can be rewritten as what? 2x plus x. Now consider this as cot x plus y. Cot x plus y. We have formula for cot x plus y. Cot x cot y minus 1. Here cot 2x cot x minus 1 divided by cot y plus cot x. Cot y plus cot x. Here cot x plus cot 2x. And here the LHS is cot 3x. Now we can cross multiply this one. That is cot 3x into cot x plus cot 2x equal to cot 2x into cot x minus 1. Here we can multiply this cot 3x. So cot 3x cot x, then cot 3x cot 2x, which is equal to cot 2x cot x minus 1. We can take that minus 1 to left side, that is plus 1 equal to cot 2x cot x, then minus these two terms cot 3x cot x, this one minus cot 3x cot 2x, and we can rearrange, that is 1 is equal to, here the proof is cot x into cot 2x, both are same, cot 2x into cot x. So this can be written as cot x cot 2x, then the second term is cot 2x into cot 3x, this one. So minus cot 2x into cot 3x, and the third term is cot 3x into cot x, this one. Cot 3x into cot x. Hence the proof. Clear? Now we move on to question number 23. Tan 4x equal to 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan raised to 4x. So let us take the LHS part. Here the LHS is tan 4x, and this can be written as tan 2 into 2x. 2 2s are 4. So tan 2 into 2x. And we know the formula for tan 2x. Tan 2x equal to 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. Okay. Here in the place of x, we can take 2x as x. Then only we can apply the formula tan 2x. Okay. So the formula becomes 2 tan 2x. Instead of x, we can write 2x divided by 1 minus tan square x. 1 minus tan square 2x. Okay. And which is equal to 2 into, again we can apply the formula tan 2x, the direct formula, 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x, whole divided by 1 minus tan square 2x, tan square 2x, that is tan 2x the whole square. Okay, so 1 minus 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x the whole square. Okay, so which is equal to 2 into 2 4, so 4 tan x by 1 minus tan square x, then divided by, here 1 minus 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x the whole square. Here we can split the numerator and denominator. Numerator square, that is 4 tan square x, and denominator square 1 minus tan square x the whole square. That time we can cross multiply. So 1 into 1 minus tan square x the whole square. 1 minus tan square x the whole square. Then minus numerator square. 2 square is 4 tan square x. So 4 tan square x divided by common denominator 1 minus tan square x the whole square. 1 minus tan square x the whole square. This square and this term we can cancel. And 1 minus tan square x goes to numerator. So 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x divided by, this time we can expand using the identity a minus b the whole square. So a square, 1 square is 1, 2ab, 2 tan square x, and b square plus b square, tan square x the whole square, tan raised to 4x, and minus last term 4 tan square x, and that will be equal to 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x whole divided by, this time we can rearrange 1 then minus 2 tan square x minus 4 tan square x, minus 2 minus 4 minus 6 tan square x, then plus tan raised to 4x, and which is equal to RHS. Okay. And the next question is cos 4x equal to 1 minus 8 sin square x into cos square x. LHS is cos 4x. Here also we can write 4x as 2 into 2x. So cos of 2 into 2x, and we can apply the formula for cos 2x. Cos 2x we have 4 different formulas. Here we can take the formula 1 minus 2 sin square x. Okay, because the answer is of the form 1 minus. That's why we take the formula 1 minus 2 sin square x. And in the place of x, we have to replace what? 2x. So 1 minus 2 sin square 2x. Sin square 2x means sin 2x the whole square. Okay. And sin 2x we have again formula sin 2x equal to 2 sin x cos x. So which is equal to 1 minus 2 into sin 2x the whole square, that is 2 sin x cos x the whole square. That is 1 minus 2 into 2 square is 4 sin square x cos square x, which is equal to 1 minus 2 4s are 8 sin square x into cos square x, which is equal to the RHS part. Understood? Now we move on to the last question in this exercise. Cos 6x equal to 32 cos raised to 6x minus 48 cos raised to 4x plus 18 cos square x minus 1. Okay. So this LHS can be written as cos 6x, that is cos 2 into 3x. 2 3s are 6. So we can write cos 6x as cos 2 into 3x. Now we can apply the formula for cos 2x. Here look at the RHS part. Here the terms involves cos x only. Okay, so we have to take the formula in terms of cos x. So cos 2x we have different formulas. Here we have to take 2 cos square x minus 1. Okay, cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. So here 2 cos square, not x, here it is 3x. So 2 cos square 3x minus 1. Now cos square 3x. As in the previous question, cos square 3x means cos 3x the whole square. And we have formula for cos 3x. Cos 3x equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. That formula we can replace. So 2 into 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x the whole square, then minus 1. Okay, that is 2 into, here it is of the form a minus b the whole square. So a square, that is 16 cos cube x the whole square, cos raised to 6x, then minus 2ab, 2 4s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So 24 cos cube into cos x, cos raised to 4x, then plus b square, 3 square is 9, cos x the whole square, that is cos square x, then minus 1. Now we can multiply this 2 and remove the bracket. 2 into 16, 32 cos raised to 6x minus 2 into 24, 48 cos raised to 4x, then 2 into 9 plus 18 cos square x, then minus 1, and which is equal to RHS. Okay. This finishes exercise 3.3. Thank you.